is going on, everybody? How you doing and how you feeling today? I need everybody here to do me one huge favor. Make sure you tap in. I need everybody here to tap in for me. Everybody here to tap in for me. Drop your location, drop the fire emoji. I need everybody to go ahead and like the stream, and don't forget to subscribe to the Solo Network community and the Solo ETV YouTube channel. And let's get to it, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys stats of where my personal account is at for number one. I'm going to give you guys stats on where my funded account is at. And, of course, guys, you guys see I am now putting the percentage of our win rate on our VIP, which I'm pretty sure someone here said, hey, I seen Solo. He took some trade. I actually got out of a trade, and that was the oil trade that I called out literally before this YouTube stream. So, once again, shout out to all my educational members that's tapped in here. I see we got two of you guys in here. We got Sway in the building. We got Neil in the building. We're crushing it. We got our VIP members in here too. And we got our solo YouTubers in here as well. So we tapped in. I need you guys to make sure you keep dropping the fire emoji, because I got some really good stats to show you guys today on my personal account and on my funded account. And I just want to show you guys that it's possible. Anything is possible. As I record all of these trades via YouTube and on my VIP using my method right here. Once again, guys, this method is only taught in my elite boot camp, which we do pretty much every other month. So I'm just showing you guys trades I'm in and so forth. All right. So that being said, let me go ahead and start off with my personal account and show you guys where we at with that. So on my personal account yesterday, I think we were at $5,000 yesterday, $6,000 yesterday. Literally, guys, yesterday, right after I got off the stream, this was sitting at about, I think, either $5,800 or $600. Right now, we got it at $8,300. And like I said, a lot of these trades were literally called in our VIP. So yesterday, in our VIP live Asian session, I called out a beautiful GJ trade, and that's what boosts my account up. You know, one trade got me $800. The second trade got me $250, right? And then the oil trade, which I just called out today, or literally about 15 minutes ago, we end up making about $700 total. So we're good, right? We're great and we're good. So I want to show you guys the journal of what we got going on, by the way. I want to show you guys the journal of what we got going on. So here's the journal. I have not put the two new trades on. It only shows my GJ trades, which was the ones we took yesterday's stream. You know, Zoom. We wasn't on here. We was on the Zoom. But just showing you guys where we at. So like I said, yeah, we were 7,000, but now we're at 8,000. I got to add those other two trades on here. And overall, we got about an 84% on this account. Overall total, we got about an 84%, which is good. And then that being said, guys, this week's been great, or today's been great. I think today we made about almost $2,000 off this personal account. And this week's been really good. Remember, guys, I usually take about 10 to 12 trades per day. Right, when I'm on my YouTube streams, I'm probably only taking 1 to 2 trades on my live stream, and then outside of that, I'm taking way more trades, you know. But realistically, this is real facts, real numbers, don't lie. You guys really probably can't see it, but here it shows I took 12 on Monday, 12 on Tuesday, 10 on Wednesday. Today, so far, I took 4 trades. And these trades are basically when I take, guys, a lot of people don't know this, but I do take one, like I get in one pair, but I get in 2 positions, and that's what these numbers are basically showing here. So other than that, man, that's pretty much what we got going on with my personal account, and I want to show you guys my stats with my funded account now. Once again, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, guys, because you might not be up to par on what's going on. Army Piper, what is going on, my brother? Nice to see you again, man. We're gonna have to tap in again. Sorry, I seen the name and I got excited, man. We haven't seen you in a minute. But back to what I was saying with my funded account. Everything I do from my personal gets copied into my funded account, right? So the 2 trades I took just now, everything got copied into my actual funded account. So it's kind of like I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I don't have to worry about taking one trade here and then going to my other account and taking another trade. So if you guys look here, we're basically almost done with this account. We got $2 more thousand to go, and I passed the first challenge all live. Literally everything we did is all live, guys. VIP or all live. As you see, win rate for this is about 81%. Now the reason why this one is a little different is because with my journal, I had to add swaps. So there was like this little swap amount that I had to add, which was like $62, and I just included that as a win. So that's one reason why it shows that. And then another reason is I started my personal account first and then got my funded account, so it doesn't have every single trade in here. But I'm just showing you guys, this is pretty much where we at with the account right now. And once again, like I said, I'm doing this so you guys can see that it is possible as long as you stick to a plan that I preach every live stream. Not signals. I know I call out signals. I know you guys get signals and all that stuff, but I'm telling you guys right now, signals is not going to make you successful in the trading world. You all should know this by now, right? My thing for what I'm doing here is I'm showcasing myself too, that if you stick to the plan, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Just stick to the plan and you be willing to get there. Just got to be patient, and you just got to take your time and just trust the process. And as long as you trust the process, everything is good. So is 70% a good win rate? Absolutely. Jeez. I mean, honestly, a good win rate is 60. I mean, there's a lot of good win rates, but yes, 70% is beautiful. By all means, 70% is beautiful. That's honestly the average of a, let me say, like a profitable trader in a way, but it's not really true because you can still be profitable with like a 40 and 50%, right? But if you, I'm saying if you're consistent with your risk to reward all the time, consistent with your compounding strategy, roughly around 70% is really doable, and you can make a lot of money with 70%. I mean, hell, that's really good. So so that's where we at right now, guys. Literally, yeah, we're almost done with this funded account. I have to do another one. The second phase with Funder Pro is only 8%, so I don't have to worry about doing another 10%. So once I get this 8% for my second, hey guys, we got an account. You know, now I got another account. I'm actually gonna give this account to my parents. That's literally what I'm doing. So really, it's pretty much simple. I'm gonna have my personal account. Once I pass this challenge, I'm gonna reconfigure in the back end my second account. So whatever trades I take off my personal is gonna get added to my second account or my second challenge. And then once I actually have the funded account, you know, I'm gonna just take whatever money I make off this account, I'm giving all to my parents. Literally, that's all I'm gonna do. My personal account is for me, this account is for them, and I'm just showing you guys, yeah, it's possible, man. So that being said, man, that's what we got going on now. Now let's get into the market. Let me hold on, Neil. What did you say? How did you get the accounts to synchronate trades? I'm using something in the back end called Social Trader. It's called Social Trader. Social Trader is basically a it does a lot of other things, but you can add multiple accounts. I'm paid $20 a month for 2 accounts, but you can go up to like 20 accounts. You just got to pay like $60 a month if you want to do that. But yeah, I use that, and I'm it's the best investment I did. Like, I remember back in the day, I used to hell, y'all remember. I don't know if y'all remember. Anybody here has been here from day one on my October stream. We had a 10K account we was dealing with, and I was literally trading that. I was getting the trade and I was trading that on my phone. And it was too much work. It was too stressful. So somebody told me about Social Trader, and I was like, okay, let me tap into Social Trader. So that's exactly what I did, and it's been really good so far. All right, guys. So that being said, I've been looking at dollars gold since 7 a.m. this morning, Central Time. Right, I've been looking at dollars since 7 a.m. Central Time, and I'm looking for some opportunities to sell it if there is opportunities to sell. I'm looking to get in this go trade. We do have this breaker structure. Excuse me. We do have this breaker structure here. We did take the lows out. However, if you go into dollar, we are strong for buys, and this could make possible sense to continue to go up because of the simple fact. We had a minor breaker structure here. We also have a lot of wick rejections off of this little POY extreme level point here, right? So we could definitely be spiking up. Also, we had another breaker structure I don't see any liquidity phases, anything that's going to be invalid, but I just see it going up. So seeing dollar can definitely head up. Gives me good signs that gold we could see that depreciation with gold dropping a little bit further than what it already did here. So yeah, okay, you said you done for the day. How many trades did you take? By the way, guys, I need everybody here to like on my video. Let's get these likes up.
Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again.
Yeah, this trade might be nice.
I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey.
All right, you know what? I'm gonna do this though. I'm gonna be a little cautious with this trade. I just know that this is about to do something nice. We did break this little minor structure. We did get a little pullback into a POI. Yeah, this definitely is a taker right here. All right, y'all. This looks like a move right here. Just waiting. So what I'm gonna do is wait on this little. If we can get this pullback to come back a little bit more, I doubt that's gonna happen, man. I just know gold, once it wants to move, it's gone. Dollar's gonna go up. I already know that. I'm just waiting on this nice pullback. So I'm gonna personally wait on the pullback to roughly around here, and then I want to see a closure of an engulfing candle. Actually, it's already coming there. I'm gonna just go ahead and remove my alert, but I want to see a closure of some sort of engulfing candle to close right literally at my entry point right here. So what I mean is I need to see market head up a little bit more, pull, and then close right here for me to say sell. But other than that, yes. I'm just studying the markets. I've been focused on myself this month, not really risking. Yeah, smash that like button. Go in liquidity phase on 1 minute. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I really don't see the liquidity phase. Unless you're talking about something like this. I don't really want to consider that one. What about oil? We already took oil. TP, look at the notes. Y'all got to make sure y'all read. When y'all come on my VIP, I'm going to need y'all to do me one huge favor. Check the notes before, because a lot of these trades, we already either took it or we in it or it's over with. Okay, man. So I want to ask a very important question. What is the most important thing in trading to y'all? What is the most important thing in trading? Need everyone here to answer that. What is the most important thing to y'all in trading? All right, let's see what y'all got. Risk management. We got risk management, discipline. Someone say money. Removing ego. Ooh, I like that one. Discipline, risk management, financial wealth, patient pace, patient mindset, patient self-control, patient. I mean, I'm here saying patient. Y'all saying psychology. Patient in psychology, and risk to reward. Trading rules, Lambo, mental, covers the list and all above. Stop loss. Stop loss. I like that one. A healthy heart. Okay, Neil, you getting a little motivational right there. Over leveraging. Patient makes money. Wait, patient, making money, waiting, not trading. trading plan, and risk management. Y'all want to know everybody here is 100% correct. By the way, I'm not in no gold trade. I know you just put this here for somebody here. He comes in my stream and say, "Are you in this trade?" Consistency. Ooh, is there anybody else here? Let me see. So everybody is correct. I was actually going to say consistency, but I swear everybody's correct. I mean, over leveraging, that's follows risk management, psychology, discipline. That's the same thing as consistency in a way. I mean, they all the same. Don't trade when you're in a bad mood. Trading plan. Man, I'm glad you guys noticed. Now, since everyone here has the answer, are you guys actually implementing what y'all saying? So for everyone here that's saying stop loss, do you have a stop loss? Lambo, do you have a Lambo? Trading rules, do you have trading rules? Your psychology, are you working on your psychology and your risk to reward? Self-control, are you being self-controlled towards your trades? And your mindset, are you actually setting your mind right before you get in the market? And in financial wealth, well, you know, that's the future of you trying to get there. Most people don't, right? So you guys have the answer. You guys know the answer. Y'all just got to make sure y'all create that sauce. Y'all got to stir that pot up. Y'all got to stir the pot up. Y'all got everything in the recipe right now. Y'all got the whole recipe. Y'all got y'all sauces. I mean, not your sauces, your spices. Yeah, y'all sauce. Y'all got everything you need from the ingredients all on your actual countertop right now, ready for y'all to cook. All y'all got to do is put it in there, stir that joint up, and then taste it. Once it tastes fire, you now know, all right, keep stirring it up. Taste it again. All right, keep stirring it up. Taste it again. All right. And then now you got the full recipe. Now you get to feed the family, which means now you got the full trading plan. Now you get to show it to everybody else, and they get to do the exact same thing. So I'm telling you guys, y'all know the answer. Y'all just got to stir that pot up. Keep stirring it up. Keep stirring it up. Keep stirring it up until it's there, and then boom, y'all straight. News food channel Horizon. But then I'm full. I'm just to it, bro. Y'all going a little too crazy. Y'all get what I'm saying, man. Y'all going a little too detailed right now. Well, you said when you over leverage, you add too much sauce. Too much salt. Yeah, when you over leverage, yeah, exactly. Don't be adding too much spices, because that's you over leveraging. Now it don't even taste right. Now it tastes funny. Now you want to throw it away. Start all over again. That's you blowing an account. Man, I'm tell y'all, man, cooking is the same thing as doing the same in trading. Man, I made myself hungry. And you know what? I want spaghetti now. After that, I want spaghetti. That's what I want. I ain't even gonna lie to you. When I was talking about stir up that pot, I was literally talking about spaghetti. Hey, we might have to turn this into a cooking channel. We don't have to turn this into a cooking channel. But by the way, guys, if you took this trade off the VIP, move your stops to break even. Let's see if we can reach TP3. I ain't gonna lie. Earlier, I had mentioned that we should have went up, but that went completely left. And it's cool because I changed my mental bias and I had to change my bias on this trade. I was stuck on this upwards move for a little bit to right here until I noticed, like, all right, it ain't coming up, man. It's going down. And I was like, you know what? Let me get in. That's a hard thing too, right there. Changing up that mental mindset of, you know what? I gotta do this. I'm gonna do this, and so forth. By the way, guys, I see we got a lot of y'all tapped in already. I need everybody here to like the stream. Everybody here, like the stream. Let's get these likes up. Everybody in my chat, let's make YouTube know we active. Everybody in my chat, drop fire emojis, drop the high emojis. Drop the money dollar emojis, money sign emojis. I need everybody here to drop all the emojis. Let's do it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get the money sign going. Yeah, let's get active, y'all. Let's get active. I want to see who's all tapped in here. There we go. Let's get active. Dollar signs. All right, man. Cool. So looking at dollar, seeing dollars going up, but gold is going up, kind of tells me ain't really much happening with gold, because correlation between dollar and gold is very beautiful, right? Very beautiful. When we see dollars dropping, dollars weak, we should see gold going up. And when dollar is strong, we should see a drop, a depreciation, or a drop, however you guys want to look at it and say it, with gold. So the reason why I always like looking at dollars, because it's like my backbone of everything, right? When I'm confused on a market, or I'm not really understanding the structure yet of what's going on with maybe gold, oil, or NASDAQ, I just look at dollar. And right when I look at dollar, I'm immediately like, oh, I see dollar broke a high. Dollar's in a liquidity phase. Dollar's doing my 3-man standing strategy. Dollar's doing this. Dollar's doing that. Elliott wave. Boom. All right, I know what we should be doing with every other pair, because a lot of these pairs, dollar has a big influence in the market, right? When you get news with dollar, you're gonna basically see a volatile reaction of any pair, even if it's a yen pair. A lot of times when we get news with dollar, you see yen also move, just because dollar has a big influence in the market. So that's why I honestly preach all the time. Honestly, the two you should have would be dollar and yen basket. These are the two that you guys should have in your chart, so you can just understand what's going on. Because if you have these two, you should be able to control or know what's going on with any other pair, rather if that's AUUSD, Euro USD, NAS yen, or not NAS yen, or New Zealand yen, USD CAD, USD yen, Euro yen, AUD yen. You got the two in your hand, palm of your hands, and you're good. By the way, I'm hearing you guys saying something about a bank. Another bank having issues. First Republican Bank. Wow, that's crazy. So once again, guys, we are doing good, man. Really good. I would say we pretty much passed this challenge almost within a couple of weeks. I used to be a big fan of saying, oh, watch how I grow this account in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But as I progressed in trading and I understood that it shouldn't even matter how long it takes you to make the money, just stay consistent. Because at this point, I don't even care. Like I used to back in the day, I used to be that trader. And I'm telling you guys this for those that's new. If you're that one trader that comes in a market and you say, hey man, I just turned $1,000 to $5 million in 2 days, or I turned this into this in a day, or this into this a day, it really don't matter. Because for one, it's kind of like, well, if you did that, you probably seem like you over risked, got your account, and you got really lucky. And I'm sure you probably did this a number of times where you blew in your account. So for me personally, I swear, like as I progressed in trading, I really don't care about how fast it takes me to make this money, or I really don't care about me expressing my strategy or myself or my account of, dang, we grew it, or guys, I turned $5 million into $10 million in a day. Nah, because at the end of the day, one thing I realized is that you cannot control the market. The market controls you, but you got to figure out a way to finesse the market so it feels like you are not being controlled, right? And that being said, you just got to have a mindset of knowing that it could take a minute to make the money, or it can take seconds to make the money. You don't know. It's a 50-50, right? Fortunate enough right now for my funded account, I was fortunate to get it done in about going into 3 weeks now. I would say almost within a month, right? I mean, there's a lot of people I see on YouTube that can pass a funded account in a day, 2 days, 3 days. I see it, but that don't mean nothing. It really don't. It's like, what's the point of you passing the account in 2 to 3 days? Really, let's be realistic right now. And anybody tell me, because I don't know, I might be wrong. I'm a human just like y'all. What is the benefit of you passing a funded account in a day or 2 days? Is there any benefit of that? Or 5 days, right? You say I passed my FTMO 10% in 5 days. What's the benefit of that? Like, if you were to say here, guys, I passed this in 10 days or 5 days, what's really the benefit in that? Because you got to be realistic with yourself. Let's say that week was really good because the market was very volatile that entire week. Let's say the market was in a downtrend, straight downtrend or straight uptrend. You made an ish ton of money, right? But let's say there was 1 week or 1 month where the market was just doing this. You don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, there could be some weeks where you can make a certain amount and certain days, and some weeks where you can make it, or sometimes where you can make it in a month. It takes you 2 months, 3 months. You know, so I look at it like, as long as you got there, and just stick there. But one important thing that I'm starting to realize in trading, as I'm progressing every single day, is I don't care what y'all flip. I don't care how much money you made. If you can't take that money out your actual broker, and if you can't do that again, don't even tell me what you did. Cause at the end of the day, if you guys watch a lot of these YouTube videos, and I'm gonna tell you guys this again, I bet you 90% of y'all right now will literally go off of this YouTube stream right now and watch a video on the strategy of how can you pass a funded account in a day or 5 days or 3 days. And I get it. Obviously, it's a urgency, right? It's an urgency. You're interested to know, right? You want to know what's going on. So you have this urgency of, you're like, well, what are you doing? I get that. But it's kind of like what they're going to teach you is the strategy that had worked at that time, which obviously does work, right? It made them that money, so it could definitely do the same for you. But that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work for you the next coming week or the time you decide to actually do your funded account, because the moment you get in the market, you realize that the market is going sideways and you're like, oh, this strategy don't work. Well, this strategy sucks. He's a scammer, or she's a scam, or whatever. They just clickbaiting or whatever it is, right? And I just say this, man, just understand, y'all got to understand the mental mindset of trading is really where it's at, and everything else is literally last. Literally last thing you should worry about. Worry about the strategy last. Focus on learning how to hold a trade while you in a trade. Focus on learning how to maintain a trade when it's coming to your stop loss, but it never tap your stop loss. When you master those two, you created a perfect little idea of how you're going to now handle these trades when you're trading live. So y'all got to understand, man, that's really how it works in this game. That's really how it works. NASDAQ is up in the up. Goodness gracious. So it's like every time I try to get into NASDAQ, it wants to be like, hey, yeah, no, buddy, you're not. Yeah, no, buddy. No, we're not doing that today. Oh, by the way, I was looking at this yen too. I usually don't trade yen. I'm only doing Asian session for some apparent reason. I don't have a reason like psychological reason behind it. I just do it. It's because I can focus on three. I think really it's because I'm focused on 3 pairs doing New York and London session if I am trading London. And in Asian session, I know nothing really moves except for yen pairs. And I'm just 100% focused on yen pairs. You know? So, yeah. I was just rewatching your earlier parts of the stream. The funded account going to your parents is awesome, brother. Much love. I appreciate that. Yes, absolutely. I recommend everybody should do something like that, man. If you know you really good at trading and you got your mental set, shoot, start a couple accounts. Create one for your parents, your siblings, or whoever, your kids, you know? If I was y'all and if y'all got your A game point ready, I would literally get 4 accounts created or whatever. How many accounts, how many kids you have, whoever you want to take care of, get an account, get a copy trader platform like Social Trader. That's what I use. And then boom, every trade you take from your account gets copied into the other accounts. And then that money that you can, that money that you made off of those other accounts, you can put into savings account or whatever you guys want to do. Liquidate that money. Right, you can liquidate that money however you guys want to go about it. But yeah, I think that's a nice little strategy you guys can do too. get a funded account, got another stream of income, still on the trading, but you know, you got another account, another stream of income coming in, and boom. So by the way, guys, I am using Ospreyfx. So I'm using Ospreyfx to trade. If you guys are interested in trading with Ospreyfx, which is my broker I am using, they are offering one thing that they started with me is I was able to get them to offer to everyone that signs up with Ospreyfx with the link down below. You guys will get 20% sign-on bonus. The deal ends March 31st. However, here's how it works. It's not your typical credit that you get added to your account, right? So if you deposit $1,000, you get $200 extra credit into your account. No, it's literally withdrawable. But here's the catch. Don't think you can just go on there, put $1,000 in there and withdraw $1,200. Come on, guys. Nobody's not that stupid, right? What I'm saying is you have to trade with Ospreyfx, right? You got to trade with Ospreyfx. And once you start trading with Ospreyfx, once you start to trade with them and you be able to withdraw, you will be able to get your 20% sign-on bonus. So it's like a token. I was actually able to get them to do something different than usual brokers, guys. So once again, make sure you sign up with Ospreyfx. That is who I'm using for my challenge. I would honestly highly recommend everybody here that is on my streams to have the same broker I have. So when a TP hits, we all know it hit. When a stop loss hit, we all know it hits. We're not finna be doing this back and forth like, oh, well, mine didn't hit, but yours did. You know, like, no, we're not finna be doing that. So I truthfully prefer everyone here that's on my streams to at least go ahead and sign up with Ospreyfx and go ahead and get that going, because it will make it 20 times easier for all of us to be accustomed to these trades and knowing that, hey, TP1 smash, we out. TP2 smash, we out. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, y'all gonna be playing this game like, well, my stop loss hit, but how come yours didn't? Or my TP was close, but yours hit. Why? You know, so I highly recommend all of you guys stay up to par with that. So definitely tap into it and then so forth. Now I'm looking at gold once again. Let's go and go to Ospreyfx because it looks different. If you guys look here, we just took the lows out right here. Now we need that pullback in order for me to confirm that this is valid, right? So I need to see that pullback happen. Once I see that pullback, it's kind of why I'm not a big fan of MetaTrader, because they're not like user friendly in the platform here. But I'm waiting on a pullback somewhere around this area here, and then should see the drop, and then that's where I would definitely be looking for some entries. So let me go back here just because it's a little easier to look at it. We got this low, broke, boom, simple, right? All I want to see is if we can get it. Now we got to get that though. Wow, look how, wow, guys. Ooh. Let me stop for 2 seconds. Hold on. I got to pause the music. When dollar is dropping this aggressively and gold is dropping, by the time gold or dollar decides to go up, gold should definitely be taking a dump. Gold should definitely be taking a dump. So this is beautiful that I'm actually seeing this now. Wow, this is really good. All right. Okay, cool. Just need to see it. Just need it to pull back so I can get a good entry. The reason why I wait on pullbacks, guys, is for entry purposes, position. Right, you don't want to just get in a sell. Like, I'm pretty sure probably 60% of y'all probably just sold it right now with no true reason behind it. I mean, yeah, y'all might say top right here, but there's probably 50 to 60% of y'all that just sold this right now for no true reasoning right now. But for me, it's all about position. Because if I'm going to set, let's say I got in right here. Well, hell, my stop loss got to be up here. This is what makes sense. I'm not doing no 10 pip rule, no 20 pip rule. That makes no sense to me because that's not how the market moves. I get that's your strategy, but for me, realistically, I'm being real as realistic as I can. I got to put my stops above this high because I know, once again, the banks look at every high as dollar signs. They're going to either sweep that liquidity or build up liquidity. It's only the two they're going to do. So I would rather just put my stops above these highs so I know that I'll be okay. Because if they sweep it up, maybe they might not take all of it. They might take a little and then drop. If they respect it, even better. But I know they're going to come to these levels because these levels are magnets. This is money. This is not no support resistance to them. They don't see it as that. That's probably where the smart money concept of dumb money comes from, which I get it, but it's still stupid. But I just say, like, this is money. Every high, every low, every settlement is money. And that's all it is. So I'm all about positioning. So if I was to enter here realistically, I'm pretty sure you guys don't even have a stop or TP level. Your TP would probably be here because you're just like, okay, it's going down too far. It's got to come up soon. Please tell me, what the hell is this right here? You're risking way more than what you're going to get yourself a reward. That's like me literally buying a pair of Jordans. I bought it for $200 the same day, and I'm about to sell these for $5. What the hell? Makes absolutely no sense. And actually, honestly, a lot of traders do this and still do this. I know there's a lot of you guys that do this now, because I literally get, and I know it's true because I literally get people coming on my chat all the time and say, hey, should we sell now? And it's like, for one, why do you need my confirmation to sell it? Because if it goes left, you need somebody to blame other than yourself, I'm sure, right? But you just need to understand it's all about positioning. This is why I say, and y'all said the same thing. That's why I asked y'all earlier. Everyone here said patience. I had asked you what is important in trading, and y'all said patience. That's one of the biggest things y'all said, patience. But yet none of y'all follow that. Not all of y'all. I'm just saying most of y'all that said that don't even follow that. And I just look at it like, y'all got the answer, but y'all just don't want to actually use the answer or utilize that of what y'all already know. So it's all about positioning, and it's all about patience. So I know we're dropping. I see it. And if I get that reaction to pull right back up, then I'm in. All right. Flip, you said you got 3 wins today. You should leave the market absolutely alone. Leave the market absolutely alone. Today, right now, for me, we got all winners. I gotta update it. Today we made about, today we made about $2,000. I'm gonna put these 2 trades in here in a little bit, but today we made about $2,000. Yesterday we did good. We made about $1,400 technically. On the 14th we made only $200. That's because I had 2 big fat L's. That result to like $1,500 that I lost, but then we bounced back, we was profitable. That's all what matters, guys. I'm sure a lot of you guys would be like, no, I need that $1,500. That's revenge trading. Just know patience goes a long way and consistency goes a long way. On Monday we had also some decent L's too, but we profited a total of $500 and let me just say $550. But this week has been the best week so far. That's because my account is growing, and when my account grows, obviously more money can be made because my account is no longer 2,000, it's now 8,000. I set a goal here. Once I get it to 10,000, I am going to withdraw my money that I put back in some. That's what we did with my last challenge. I don't know if y'all remember when we did 4,000 to 50, really 40K, but we got it to 50K. I think when we got it to like 10,000, I withdraw $5,000, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna withdraw. I'm gonna definitely get my money back. So this account is absolutely risk-free, meaning that I ain't got nothing to worry about, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got nothing to worry about. So my account was absolutely risk-free. Here you guys. So once we get it to 10,000, my account will be absolutely risk-free, and I'm gonna take 2,700 plus some just to have profit. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the market alone, or not leave the market alone, but yeah, I'm gonna just grow from here risk-free. Like I said, the biggest thing in trading is everybody can flip an account, but bare minimum of y'all can actually take the money out. I showed yesterday my Forex book of accounts that I had blown, and this is still like 2021, so it's not that long ago. I showed that I flipped the account. I got it to $700 to $5,000. Never withdraw the money, then I blew all of that. Like I said, everybody can flip account, but not everybody can take the money out. It's a mental thing. That little thing right there is a mental thing. So yeah. Also, if you guys are new to my channel again, the broker I am using is called Funder Pro. Broker I'm using is called Funder Pro. Here you guys go, Funder Pro. This is the broker I'm using. This account, we're almost $2,000 in, and then we're done for this challenge 1. I'm actually ready to get my funded account. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, if you guys are interested in that, the link is in the description for you guys to sign up. You do get 20% off. If you guys want to go ahead and sign up, you get 20% off. And like I said, I'm trading my personal and my funded account. So my personal account is with Ospreyfx, right? And my funded account is with Funded Pro. So I'm literally like boom, 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 boom. Every trade I take off of here gets transitioned to this account, and then we're good. Is Forex or indices better? In my opinion, Forex is good for beginners because you really have time and you really got to have patience for one, right? But for number 2, it's really good because it's very structured. But indices and commodities are my top. As you guys see, that's all I trade. The only Forex pair I do trade is GJ. Now that's really it, or Euro Yen. But I mean, if you guys look at my details here, you guys see only trades I have been taking was yen, oil, and gold, and NASDAQ, wherever that's at. I don't see that on here no more. Oh, it's right here. So I made most of my money with GJ, apparently. That's really because Asian session. I only trade GJ during Asian session at one specific time because I know there's going to be a big spike. I wish I can show you guys. Actually, I could show you guys. If you guys look at all my yen trades I took, they only last about 10 minutes. So I got in. No, this one lasts a little longer. I lied. This one lasts about 20 minutes. They don't last as long because I get in at a certain time, and right when I get in, I'm literally like in it, and then there's a spike that happens, obviously because of Asian session opening, and then I'm out, and then boom, I made my money for the day. I've been in from day lows. Who missed on gold and oil? So I'm trying to. I just got in on a live. Can you say if you didn't say it? How do you get that calendar template in Excel? I'm actually working on an app right now to get this all in the app, the journal. I only for right now, I do only give this journal that I have in Excel to our elite bootcamp students. That, you know, if you sign up for the mentorship class, you'll get this because this is part of your homework. What we do is I have everybody journal all their trades. And by the way, if you join an elite bootcamp, you have no choice but to trade a live account. I don't want nobody trading demo account because you're not gonna learn shit. You ain't gonna learn nothing at all. You're not finna learn the most important thing in trading, which is mental. So I told everybody to start a small account, $10 account, $100 account, whatever you can afford, and journal your trades because this is all homework they got to turn in at the end of our sessions. But I'm only giving this to them at this time being. However, right now I am working on an actual app, journal app, that everybody will have access to use. What's my strategy on GJ agent session? All of the above. Nothing changed. It's same as all of this. I got 3 strategies I follow. Either my fib, my liquidity, or my 3-man standing strategy, which is Elliott wave. Can you explain how my fibs work? I'll have to explain that when I'm using that to make it make sense. I started with the live, and then I was like, let me do a demo, and then I train the real money. Yeah, don't go to demo account. It's not gonna teach you nothing, but just the market, and you can learn that just from back testing. Like I swear on everything I love, guys. You can sit here and say that no, I'm gonna trade demo and I'm gonna take this like it's a real account. It's not. That I swear on everything, that is not true, and that is never going to be possible because it's that little 0.99999%. When you trade in a real account, you just have that urge of like, I'm gonna get out. It's that little 1% that's going to mess up your entirety of mental. I promise you, man. I promise you. So please don't sit here and say, oh, demo, I'm good on my demo account. Yeah, everybody's good on their demo account. Well, once you understand the strategy, everybody's good on their demo account. But other than that, nah. Yeah, I trade demo for months, then I switch to real money, still lose money. Yeah, you gotta, like I said, you gotta trade real money. I know it doesn't make sense to a lot of people yet, but it will when you guys truly understand why I say trade real money. It's not going to teach you what's the most important than trading. That's why 90% of traders fail. It's really 90. They say it's really 99 or 98% of traders fail because everybody's doing the same thing. So listen to what I'm saying. I'm trying to tell you guys real facts. That 1%, they know it's this here and it's not the strategy. So for everybody here that's trying to do a demo FTMO account or do a demo account and showing the results and saying, hey, I just took a $500 account to 500K. It's a demo account. It's not real money. You're not real. Exactly. It's not real money equals real emotions. You're not dealing with real emotions at all. You can treat it like it, but it's not going to work. It's not. So the key to trading is learning this. The only way you can master this is truthfully going through it. You got to go through it. And then two, another thing that a lot of you guys don't know, when you trade an actual real account, the market is going to play with you a little bit. Like the broker is actually going to play with you a little bit. Like meaning that your TP will smash, but it will never take you out. And that's just because it due to spreads and all that. But like I said, man, trade a real account is different. FTMO trial is bad too, Solo. No, it's not bad. I'm not trying to say demo account is bad, but I just know a lot of traders trade demo accounts for the wrong reason. Like a lot of you guys will trade a FTMO account, demo FTMO account for the wrong reason, right? You obviously want to see if you can pass it, which I get it, but you're getting in a demo account with the wrong mindset. You got to get in it with the right mindset. If you know a demo account is not going to teach you mental, but just teach you the strategy, by all means, cool, right? I say do a demo account with FTMO so you can build up your risk management strategy or compounding strategy, but it's still not going to teach you the mental part. You know what I'm saying? So I truthfully say just understand demo is not bad at all, but I just know 90% of traders get in a demo account with the wrong mindset of saying that, oh yeah, if I can do this on a demo, I can do this on anything. Then the moment they get in a real account, they say, oh, the world is against me, the trade is against me. Nah, it's your mind against you because you really haven't mastered that part in a demo account. You only mastered half of your strategy, but not your full strategy. How do I start a demo? You can start a demo account with any broker. They all have it. You can start it with any broker. Hell, MT5 and MT4 have their own demo account. You don't even need a broker. Like I said, don't even worry about all that, man. It's not going to give you the benefit that you need unless you know you're getting in a demo account for one reason, and that's just to master your actual system from the strategy, the risk percent, and the compounding strategy. After that, you're good as far as that. But the number one thing to really have that in play and stick to that is your mental. And that doesn't teach you that. All right. So seeing that it's already 10 o'clock, we had this big spike. There's still potential in gold. You just got to understand that we still need I still needed to pull back. Actually, let's see. Because the problem is, see, I can only see the settlements in the 30 seconds. And that's these two levels right here. I prefer for it to come up here, but I don't think that's going to happen. I definitely will say, because dollar, yeah, man. Dollar's still consolidating, but dollar, yeah, I definitely wanted to come up here, but I don't think that's possible. So if we could tap up in this midpoint, I will have to put my stops like here. NASDAQ took off once again. Looking for the pullback tool. Is there anybody here that trade NASDAQ? there anybody here that actually trades NASDAQ? My broker doesn't offer it. You got to get with Ospreyfx, man. Like I'm trying to tell you guys, we got to all have that same broker so we all know. I think some countries don't allow you guys to trade with Ospreyfx, but for everybody that can, at least get a broker. At least put some money in that broker. Oh, Neil, you brought, huh? Sheesh. Nice. All right, cool. No, me Nas is not my friend. I love Nas when I'm in it at the right time, but other than that, it's very stubborn. But I still love it. Like yesterday, got us right here, and then boom, this is what I was wanting. Still kind of surprised that it didn't really took off, but it did in a way. Yeah, it did in a way. Right now, it's taking off again. Like right here, I would have definitely considered this another entry. Sheesh, this would have been a perfect entry too. Woulda, coulda, shoulda right here. Yeah, that would have been it though. You said you trade with Ospreyfx too. They are really good. Do you think gold will be around forever? Yeah, I do. Only thing that I think will really take over the market is crypto for sure, because you know it's a digital currency. Could just be Bitcoin, it could be something else. It might not know. But I do believe in digital currency in the future, 100%. But I believe also gold would be, because gold is like anything when it comes to rareness to it, where you don't see it as much, it's going to have value, right? And I feel like later down the road, you know, I mean, we got gold everywhere, right? You know, gold is everywhere, but I feel like gold is the OG for sure. I mean, hell, back in the medieval days, what were they using? Silver and gold, right? Wasn't using paper. So I just feel like gold is going to be around. It's going to be the OG. So I honestly feel like if there was ever something that ever happened in our society, the one thing that will survive will be gold and silver, literally. Because let's just say, oh hell, something happens where we just got somewhere we have no more say of digital, right? Electricity or everything just got wiped. Obviously, digital currency, you got to operate with electricity. You got to operate, you know, obviously in a digital world. So it's kind of like when everything is gone, dinosaur days, when we back to dinosaur days, digital doesn't even matter. Paper really doesn't even matter. It's going to go right back to gold. So what was the OG is going to remain an OG. And that's how I feel like in the world. It's like we live in this big circle. We're in the world of a circle, right? I read this book. I can't remember what book it was, but the book said nothing is never has been invented. It's just reinvented in a way from what happened in the past. So like a lot of times, a lot of people will say, man, I just create this new thing, this new theory, or I created this new way of looking at it. Not necessarily, because it's already been, literally it's already been founded or invented earlier in dinosaur ages. We just might not have the record of it. You know what I'm saying? Like when they said they first discovered the solar system, man, that's been discovered way before electronics was even a thing. It's actually a tribe that discovered the solar system without using any electronics. They was just using a string attached with that. I think it was something. that it's like, I can't remember what it's called, guys. I can't remember what it's called, but literally they invented the solar system way before electronics was even invented. So when people say, "Oh, I invented this," or "Oh, no, there's no such thing." So like I said, the world is a big circle. So what I'm getting at the end of the day is, yes, there you go, thank you, yes, there you go. That's the try right there. But the circle is a world of circle, man. Our world is a circle, right? Our earth is a circle. So everything is just going to happen again. So when everybody's off of gold, when they think gold is dead, I'm like, hey, I'm still going to be trading gold because it's just one big circle. Maybe not in a year from now, it's going to come back. Maybe not 2, maybe not 10, but probably 50 years, gold is going to be a new thing again. And everybody thinks that this is a new way of trading. Realistically, it's been here since dinosaur age. It's like a cycle. That's what you're saying. Exactly. If you guys really look at life, a lot of things that are rediscovered was already discovered. It's kind of like, yeah, no. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I gotta say. Just like, for instance, where I feel like literally 20 years from now, guys, I promise you 20 years from now, I do feel like gas for cars is going to be dinosaur. But I know 80 years from now, gas is going to be like, oh man, I wish I would have had a gas car, because now electricity, something's happened with electricity, or this and this and that. And you guys get what I'm saying? It's just a big circle. So by the time my son turns 50, he's going to be like, oh yeah, I should have got gas back in the day. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, there's a lot going on, man. Gold never pulled back to where I needed to pull back. So I'm not really in gold right now. But let's talk about this gold real fast. I don't know. I know a lot of you guys really love gold. But I've been liking gold a lot too. But I never really been trading it as much, and that's just simply because a lot of times when I try to look for a setup with gold, I either miss it or it's very confusing to me until it creates like something like this right here, right? So with gold, like I said, I hate gold when it does stuff like this. Excuse me, because it's so unbiased of me knowing what's really going on. But the moment we start to get it right, I'm all for it. What do you think about strategies with indicators? Only indicator I use is RSI and chart prime. When I get to pulling my indicators out, you know, RSI, I only use RSI for divergence. That's it. And I use my chart prime for other things too. What do you look for in orders to enter? Oh man, that's a lot that goes into that, brother. I got a big different of strategies that I implement. Never seen a Forex trader on YouTube who succeeded $20. So I'm going to be the first. Got you. Solo, mark the high at 15. What are you talking about, Samantha? Are you talking about for gold? I don't even do that either. Like, mark this high. I see that this is a high, but what am I marking it for? Um, 8:30 Eastern Central Time. You gotta be a little bit more specific because I have my time frame set to Eastern Time. (8:30 p.m. Eastern Time). Honestly, I don't even so I'm not understanding why am I marking my highs though? I don't even do that. What are you trying to show me? First time on your live, I got my own strategy, but I like the energy here. Something to listen to while I'm waiting. Hey, there you go. I love it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. How to put it? I keep it very simple on how I trade, man. I really go on a daily. Like sometimes you see me on a daily for like a couple minutes, but the only time I'm on a daily is when I'm looking at the overall picture, right? And I already know the overall picture just by knowing what's going on in the daily, and then from there I kind of don't need to look at the daily, honestly. But that being said, I'm usually like a lot of you guys when you watching my streams, I'm like always on a 5-minute time frame. That's because every morning before I go live or before I get in a trade, I analyze the 1 hour and the 4 hours. Sometimes I jump on a daily to make sure the whole bigger picture is still there. If it changed, then I'll start changing that. But other than that, I'm like 1 hour all the time. And the only thing I'm looking on a 1 hour to 4 hour is just liquidity phase, just to make sure I'm not getting rejected or anything, you know. So that's really it. The broker I'm using is literally right above me, right up there. If you want to go ahead and sign up and get a 20% sign-on bonus, the link is literally pinned in the chat, and it's also in the description. First time on here, man, just popped in from the channel to channel. Few explanations on why do you do and don't take. Why you do and don't take it, man? What do you mean? Oh, you meant like why you do and don't take trades? Ronnie, I understand what you're saying, but then it's like I don't, but I do, but I get what you're getting. Honestly, like I mean, I take trades when I see a setup, and I don't take trades because I don't see the setup. Like right here, I didn't take this trade because it didn't necessarily tap in here, and it just took off. And another reason why I didn't take this trade is because I always enter on a closure of a candle. So if I was to enter right here, my stop loss will have to be all the way up here. Bad position. Yeah, you good. So that's the reason why I didn't take this trade, because the reason why I like to wait on my positioning, if this is your question, hopefully it is, but it's because I like to get here because I know I can position myself perfectly right here or somewhere around here. Right, meaning that the candle has to close around like right here, somewhere around here. This closure of a candle, 5 minute, nah. Maybe on the 2 minute I could have did it, but the 2 minute didn't give me any clarity for sure. This wasn't good enough for me. So yeah, that's why I didn't do it. I like to play it safe. Better safe than sorry in my eyes. The more safe that I can play it, the better win rate I have. But I like how gold, my gosh, guys, I like how dollar is so choppy, but gold is trending. What time frame for your live sets? What is the time frame? I only enter off a 2 minute, 30 second, or 5 minute. Those are the only time frames I look for entries. I never entered off the 15 minute in a long. I haven't even entered anything higher than the 5 minute. I never had entered in a long time. It's only 5, 2, or 30 seconds. So anywhere from 30 seconds to the 5 minutes are all entries for me. Oh man, I love the 30-second chart. We took a couple 30-second trades, 30-second time frame trades. Matter of fact, let me look here. So I think. So usually, guys, I started when I call out signals, I start explaining the strategy I'm using, and then I'm gonna actually create a channel in the VIP of all my strategies broken down, so you guys can understand what my strategy is. But I just started implementing my strategies. Like 3-man standing strategy is all Elliott wave. Trying to see. I would usually sometimes put. Yeah, we've been hitting TPs and a lot of stuff lately. Yeah, sometimes I'll usually put like 30-second entries right here. So like right here, we did a 30-second entry on oil, and then we end up smashing TP1. And I think, yeah, we end up smashing all TPs. So yeah, I usually put time frames. I think this gold trade was a 30-second entry too. Yeah, so I usually do that. Am I in any trades right now? No, I'm not. I'm not. I was looking on that gold trade, but not right now. It is about that time for. Oh, you know what? We are entering in a new session, New York session only for oil. I don't know, would that be nice if we just did nothing but go up? But jeez. For all my support and resistance traders, this worked out beautiful for y'all. The Ichimoku clouds. I don't trade those. Ichimoku. I remember I had a strategy on that too, but I just stick to Japanese candles. I don't trade anything else. I don't get into anything else. I just stick to what I know. Japanese candles by far is my favorite. You can never go wrong with Japanese candles. By the way, guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. How nice would this be if I can catch a counter trend trade on gold? Crazy, right? But y'all know how I do. I can definitely counter trend trade when I see the setup. Why 30 seconds? Because the 30 seconds I can get a tighter entry, better position. And a lot of times I can see settlements. So like for anybody here that trades fair value gaps, and I think usually in the fair value gap you wait until it gets 50% in there. I kid you not, if you go in a 30-second or even a 1 minute time frame, there's a little settlement, literally, that's resting right in that 50%, and then boom. Like I said, there's so many different ways to see see trade or to see the market with these different theories, concepts that's out here, but it's going to be the same result. It's going to give you the same stuff. You just got the course. Hey, there you go, man. So when you buy the course, you're going to get 2 emails sent to you. One is going to be my older course. It's going to give you the very basics of everything, and a new one is basically what I'm doing now. And that's still getting new videos are still getting added to that too. Many ways to skin a cat. Facts. That's why I say, like, people be like, do you trade smart money? Do you trade Elliott Wave? Do you trade ICT? Do you trade supply demand? They are the same stuff. So for, like I said, for somebody that trades fair value gaps, if you actually go into a smaller scale, there's a settlement inside that fair value gap. You just got to really go into a smaller scale and look at it. For anybody that trades supply demand, that's a settlement. Every time it settles in supply demand, that's also seen as support resistance, major key levels, institutional levels, all of that. Same stuff. Just a different way of looking at it and a different way of sounding cute and pretty. But like I said, when you somewhat think you invented something new, you didn't. You just recreated the wheel that was already there. How do you get in the VIP? Just check the description down below. So guys, I'm looking at this this gold trade. Like I said, you can counter trend trade this, but I'm not looking to counter trend trade right now. I gotta literally figure out what's really going on with this one.
on lust. She in bikinis, I make it rain in her forest. Tropical forecast where the water be the purest. Can't get back time watching your wrist. Stay nourished. All that music brought us and it taught us. Spread it to your sons and daughters, cause my duffel bag filled.
We are $2,000 away from my funded account. This is my personal account, guys. Once again, this is what you're seeing right now on my Osprey account. This is my funded account. I'm sorry, personal account. And then I'm working on a 200K funded account right now, which is really all of this right here. If you guys look here, it's all of this right here. $2,000 away. I'm about to go crazy. And if you guys want the link, I can literally give you the link. Like I said, they gave me 20% off. I'll just share the link if you guys want to get 20% off. If not, go ahead, check them out. And then everything that I took from the trades, I think total we took about total trades we took total to 80 trades, right? So I took about 80 trades on my personal account, and then like I said, all my trades get copied into my real account. You said you got 2 50K accounts with my code. Nice. Yeah, guys. So yeah, that's what's going on. So every trade I take off here gets copied into my other account. So that's why I'm really monetizing my trades. And then also, how I got it set. I'm using Social Trader. I'm gonna show you guys how I got it set. I'm gonna show you real fast, cause I know I'm not affiliated with Social Trader at all whatsoever. But hey, if they watching, that would be nice, you know. I do be talking about them a lot now, but I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever. I just want to show you guys how it looks in the back end. I just need to figure out what email I'm use. Shoot, I don't even remember what email I use. We might have a problem, guys, because I can't remember my login info. There we go. Okay. All right. I'm going to show you guys this real fast. I want to make sure my account number is not on my personal one. Don't want y'all to look at that. Let's see. Balance. All right. We good. Oh, wait. Y'all can't see it. Wait. There we go. Okay. So this is Social Trader Tools. So basically, these are the 2 accounts I have. My personal funded Ospreyfx MT5. You can either do MT5 and or MT4. And then my 200K account. So how it works is you will want to come to, let me double check. I'm trying to remember, guys. Let's see. Yeah, you want to come to configured, and then you want to go to trade copier. And then this is, once again, how you get all that information. So if you go here, you can literally set your risk percent, right? You can set your risk percent, meaning that like whatever trade gets copied from your personal or your one account, you can set the risk settings right here. How I do it is I did a multiplier. So whatever lot size I enter from my personal, multiplied by 4. I thought it was 2, but by 4. And then also I have a slippage of 10. Max lot would be 15 lots. So meaning that if I was to get in, let's say that my personal account grows, right? And I get in a 10 lot size, it's going to 4x. It's going to multiply that by 4 on my funded account, but I don't want that going past 15% lot or 15 lot size, right? So I got that set there. You can also do stops and limits if you want to. It's pretty cool how it works, guys. So you definitely want to check it out. Like I said, I think it's dope because every time you move your stop loss or your TP, it literally moves it on every account that you have copied. You said you got 10 accounts copied to it. Nice. So you already using it. Cool. So let me go ahead and give you guys the code. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the code for Funder Pro. All right. Like I said, the code is Solo20. Damn, gold is pulling up though. When you guys sign up, go ahead and use that. Oil is pulling back, but I don't know what it's really pulling back to. As promising as looks, it still looks risky. I'm not gonna counter trend trade this one. I can't. You said, bro, I need to sell that. I said, bro, you need to. I'm already working on an app for the trading journal. So it's actually gonna be a lot better than this Excel sheet. So it's really cool. But yeah, once again, guys, the broker I'm using Ospreyfx for my personal account. If you guys want to sign up with them, you do get a 20% sign-on bonus, which means it's not credited into your account. You will be able to withdraw it. But the catch is you need to trade with Ospreyfx. Don't think you can go in there, deposit $10,000, think you're going to get $2,000 to withdraw. You will only do that once you consistently trade with Ospreyfx. And here's the nice thing about it. If you guys stick to watching my live streams, on top of that, watching my VIP trading, staying in our VIP as well, we got a high win rate so far, 77% win rate. Also, live streams, I think we're either at a 70%. Can anybody tell me where we at with our live streams? What percentage are we at? I can't remember. I don't know if we had like a 69 or 70% on the live. Like everything I do, whether if it's on Zoom or on YouTube, is considered live stats. I'm just curious, is there anybody here that can give me that percentage number? Oh, Neil, you gave a idea on oil. I see what you got. I like that. Look at that 1 minute settlement right there, though. Look at that little settlement right there. We might have another buy with oil. But here's the thing, though. I'm not going to get in until it actually breaks this high still. That's just part of my rule. Unless we get a new internal high to form. That'll be even better. So you said I'm at a 78% on the live stats. Are you sure? I thought it was less than that. But if it's 78, then cool. That's cool. Like I said, man, my goal this year is to do better than what I did last year for my win rate. And that last year I didn't have this system that I have this year. Did not. I had it, but I didn't have it like this. So I got it. I have no choice but to do better. And I think, guys, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm gonna definitely say this. Like, once I can pass this funded account, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna keep doing it, honestly, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna keep doing it. For one reason, it's not gonna hurt me at all. I'm not losing anything because I'm gonna just copy every trade from my personal into my funded account. So when I pass this one, I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna merge them together once I get them. Or I don't even need to merge them. Hell, I don't even need to merge them because, like I said, if you have Social Trader, that's one. You can literally set risk. So one account, I can probably risk more or risk less, right? For my other account, right? So let's say that one account I maybe want to hold out trades a little longer. What I'll do is I will risk less than for one account, and then my other account will be just the same as my personal account. And I feel like I'm gonna keep doing that because I for one, I want to showcase to myself that if I can stick to this plan, because this is my very first year of me actually staying consistent with this. So if I can stick to this plan, I want to see how consistent this plan is. Because I swear to gosh, if this is a $1 million plan right here, I should be able to win and turn any and every account up. Literally, we did it one time. Now I'm doing it the second time, and that's what I'm trying to do. Because if that's the case, then I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna retire trading. Like, I'm probably gonna just trade once a week. at this point, because it's like my account is already up. I'm already doing good. I don't want to be sitting on this computer for 5 hours trading. I want to be able to get in one trade and hold it like a swing trader. That's kind of where I'm going at the end of the day on my trading journey. My goal is, the reason why I like scalping is because I can see the money quick, but long term, when you really think about it, I just want to get in a trade and just let it ride out. And it might not need to be a swing trade, but like an entry day trade. I just want to get in a trade and make literally my year income off of one trade. That is my goal this year. I kid you not, guys. That is my goal this year. I have wrote it down. That was one of my New Year's resolutions, however y'all want to say it. But I told myself this year I ain't playing. Like, I got to go crazy. And when every time I get in an account or look to do a funded account, I should be able to pass it if I stick to my rules. I got my rules written down. I got my rules locked in. I'm teaching you guys my rules now. I got no choice but to go from there. Because you guys know, if I do lose out on trades, because we do lose trades, right? If I lose 2 trades in a row, I am done. That is what's going to keep me consistent too. Like, I got everything to back me up in a way. I got to. So let's just say that my trading plan is beautiful, but the market is just really shitty for the whole week or the whole day. Hey, the moment I lose 2 trades, all right, forget it. I'm out. I'm done. 2 L straight, I'm out. And the reason why I got 2 L straight is because the reason why I got 2 L straight is because rule number 1, it goes to rule number 1. So if I was to lose 1 trade, right, I should have lost about 5% or whatever, right? But if I won the other trade, I should have got my money back. That's part of my rule. That's what I'm saying. One backs up the other all the time. So if I lose 2 straight trades, then that definitely tells me I just lost. No, I shouldn't have lost no more than 15%. That's my overall. I share my trading plan all the time. If you want my trading plan, it's just a smaller version of this. You can get it for free. Just check the description. Otherwise, if you want me to actually teach it in detail, you have to be tuned in our boot camp, because it's not I can tell you in 5 minutes you get it. I promise you're not gonna get it, because there's a lot more to it. Like I just told you guys, my trading system, my trading plan is, I got a whack off strategy, which is a liquidity phase. I look at fibs, I look at Elliott wave, but it's more to that than just what I'm saying. A lot more to that. All right, so I see we trying to break the high out on oil. We ain't even trying to tap into this midpoint or the settlement. We tapped into this one though. Hey, yo, Neil, are you in?
Yeah. Dear son, I'm spitting this before you fresh out. If I said I was blessed before, man, let's get in depth now. Give me a sec, yo. I gotta step out the moment we saw.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
Skip the step, wow. The beauty of creation, I seen too much to wonder how it feel to take your first breath for you. I would never.
By the way, guys, I need everybody here to go ahead and like up the video. If you're new to my channel, I need everybody here to like the video. You said waiting on this 5-minute candle. So you're going to get in right here at this 5-minute. Yeah, you right. V, that's actually where I'm getting at right now. That's exactly where I'm trying to. It's like, how can I put it? It's like I like scalping because, you know, obviously I can make a lot of money in a short amount of time. But as I am getting into a lot of different projects, yeah, I'm 100% going to be turning. And I'm not going to turn it to a swing trade. I'm not, because my mental is still not there. I used to swing trade before. My mental isn't there. What I'm basically saying is I want to have a bigger account right now. Like, I'm literally want to have a 100K account, personal, not funded. Difference. When I have a funded account, I'm really trading like 20K, right? That's pretty much where I'm going with this one. I got like a 20K account with a funded account, but with a personal account, I want to have a 100K account. And then I know, like, when I scalp, I can literally make my yearly salary off a scalp move. You know what I'm saying? I just mentally still can't hold a trade overnight. It's just too much. But I do know later down the road I will get to the point where, cause it's a mental thing. I gotta program myself mentally to get there first. So when I start, as I'm starting now, not right now, but once I start, I'm gonna slowly work my way into getting in only one trade, holding it a little longer, this and that. But that's like hard right now because I still got these rules that I implement, right? So that's really what it is. But for me, what I'm saying is I'm gonna be looking more like our time frame for entries, 30 minutes for entries only. Like right here, guys, whatever you see on a 5-minute is a replica on a 30-minute. Whatever you see on a 1 hour is a replica on a 30 seconds. See, we got the break of structure. I can get right here, look at this right here. This is a settlement, this black and green or black and blue candle, which is this right here. I can wait on market to come in here, which is doing now. Wait on a 30-minute closure candle, and then I can just look for a one-on-one trade. You know, maybe stop loss be here, but obviously my one-on-one would be somewhere up here. You know, same thing. You just hold and trade out longer. I'm not nowhere near there yet. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm not. You said, wait, say that again. You said 1 minute corresponds. No, what I'm saying is whatever you see on a 2 minute is the same thing you will see on a 5 minute, same thing you see on a 1 hour. This is something that this is what I'm saying. This is something that I teach more in details in my boot camps, because I could tell you guys this, but y'all not gonna really understand what I'm saying because there's a lot more to that. Like, but I promise you though, whatever you can get on a 5 minute, you will get on a 10 minute. Whatever you get on a daily will be the same on a 30 seconds. That's why a lot of people get scared of 30 seconds. I'm just like, but why though? It's the same as the 5 minute. It's kind of like if I was to see, I'm gonna give you guys a little hint. If I see a play of action on a 5 minute like this, I now know where I'm at. So I now know I can go in the 30 second and I just look for this because I know what's going on in the 5 minute and I go from there. It's called mapping out your time frames. Prices fractals. Yes. So you're going to see the same thing on this time frame. It's like a mirror effect. I use this example all the time. It's a mirror effect. You put all these mirrors together, you're going to see the same thing. That's why I got 5 seconds on here. I never traded on, I think we only did one trade live and that was on the 15 seconds and it did go in our favor, which is crazy, but never did 5 seconds yet. But I got it here because I'm trying to mentally get ready for that. So like I said, trading is all mental, yeah. But same thing you see like right here. We got a break of structure. Looking for it to come in here. Boom. As it is. And then it could go up from there. You know? That's all it is. Yeah, this is looking nice. Neil, what you said? Wait on a 1 minute to show me a higher high in a break of structure. Well, we definitely did take this high out right here. All right, we took this high out right here. Yeah, I'm about to. Damn it, Neil, why you say that, man? I was about to say I'm about to get in, but you just made me say, "Oh, I'm about to get in now." Like, nah, hold on. Ah, damn it. Yeah, we broke the structure. We're pulling back into a midpoint here. Man. I'm gonna keep my stops right there. All right. I'm tapping in oil. Got in my 2 positions. TP would be resting right about here, which is at these highs. We could actually go up way further too. Let me see. Yeah. TP3 and then boom. Let me go ahead and add my TP levels. There we go. Yeah, spreads are high on oil. Cool. If you saying that, you shouldn't even be trading oil, man. Because you never will know if the trade's going to go in your favor or not. All right, cool. So yeah, we shall see with this one right here. Let me put an alert on oil right here. Rubbish. Is it possible to be trading for gold? I ain't even looking at gold right now. Ain't nothing happening with gold right now. Literally. It's already down, but it is gonna pull. At this point, it's kind of like, yeah. You said I need this mix, mad relaxing. I love this mix. You know, I still also see oil still coming down further. I ain't even gonna lie to you. We shall see. We shall see. I literally do still see it coming down. So is it possible to pay for VIP with cryptocurrency? Yeah, you'll have to DM me directly. Somebody said, can you explain why you didn't take the first trade phase? Just kidding. What do you mean? First trade, please. What trade? Which trade we talking about? Talking about which trade we talking about? You got to be a little bit more specific. First one on oil. This one, we took this one. I took this one before we got on live. This is the one I called in VIP. I didn't call it in here because it happened already. We took it to TP2. So yeah, that's why I said down there. If you look, TP2 smash on oil. That was this one right here. Now this was caught in the VIP though. Before we got on live. I entered this one due to the strategy that I use of Elliott. I just see the break of structure down here. We pulled back, and then I'm looking for, I seen that reaction of the buyers were in the market, and that's why I got into oil. Started to try to flip a $10 to get $70. Lost a few trades, went down 50. Now we just wait all in oil. So GG. You risking it. That's number one thing you should not do. But hey, you know what you're getting yourself into. I bet your emotions is playing with you, boy. I'm already knowing how you feeling. You probably shaking over there. Probably over there. I feel you. Yeah, you over there strangling yourself internally, like strangling the mess out your soul. But yeah, man. Oh damn, TP1 coming. Lift off, right? Jeez. Yay. Anybody wants to start a yoga class with me? We could start a YouTube channel, yoga, solo yoga. Who here does meditation? Anybody like prayer, meditation, or anything like that before you guys hop on the charts? You said I'm flexible as a bus. Well, I know buses just, I don't know what that means, man, but I know what you mean. You said flexible as a bus. I don't even know what that means, but then I'm thinking like, well, I know a bus, just not really. I mean, I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I never heard that before. It's like, wait, you're not flexible, but you are, right? But you're not, because a bus ain't flexible. It's like if it falls one way, it goes down one way. I know. I just never heard that saying before. No, you be the funniest dude I know, man. The sayings you say, I never heard nobody say that before. Oh man, look at dollar, man. Look at dollar. Look at oil. Oil alert. Oil alert. Oh. Oil alert. Hold on. Guys, we got to get these likes up, man. We got no likes. I need everybody here to get this. Help me get this to 300 likes. Especially to everybody here that's always asking me for my strategy, asking why I do this, how to do this. You should look at this. Like the video. I tell you guys this all the time. The more you show appreciation by liking the video, the more I show appreciation towards you by giving you guys mad gems. Hey, yo, you feel me? Like, that's just how I'm coming, because I'm coming like that all the time. You feel me? So show appreciation, like the video. Let's get the likes up. By the way, I'm in 2 trades right now. By the way, every time I take a trade on here, it gets transferred into my funded account. Oh wait, I can't. I gotta show you guys my funded account on my phone. Yeah, here we go. So these are the 2 trades that copied. Come on, phone. There we go. That copied over from my personal. This is what I was saying Social Trader is doing in the back end. Hey, yo, I just need $2,000 to pass. I just remembered. Hey, yo, Neil, I think these 2 trades will make me finally pass this. And hey, if I could pass this live, like seeing you guys, that'd be dope. Big locks give me anxiety. Monique, but you see what you just said right there. It's a mental thing. See, that's how I am too. Like, how can I put it? Like, you gotta mentally prep yourself for lot sizes too. Like right now, I just been doing standard lots for some certain trades, but it takes a lot to change that lot size on a real account, guys. We're not talking demo account. For all my demo traders out there that's saying that they making so much money off a demo account, you're not gonna learn nothing. But on a real account, when you change that 1 to 2, it's a different ball game. My first lot I just did for oil was 1.50 on this account, and I swear to gosh, I was nervous. That was this trade right here. I did a 1.5, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's the biggest trade I ever took with an oil trade. I'm not used to 1 point. I'm just used to 1. You know what I'm saying? I'm just used to 1. Yeah, I'm about to take profit too, man. It's getting close to it. I'm about to take profit, y'all. I just took profit. I'm riding the other trade though. Risk free. This is what I mean by risk free trade now. Risk free trade. $10 loss if it goes against me. Probably break even, honestly, with the spreads. Oh wait, this is still TP1. TP2 should be. Hold on, let me drop my fibs. Yeah, roughly around here for TP2. This is a risk-free trade though. This is what I mean. This is my compounding strategy. This is what I mean by this can grow your account. So I want to show you guys how, as I exit out of that trade, as you guys see, I'm only in 1 trade left. You see, if I go to the chart, you guys probably can't really see it, but my stop loss is literally rough around my break even. Still in the trade, still. This is my funded account. It says I made $20,000 profit, but after the spreads and all, let me see. I don't know. Let's see something, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. If we can pass this right now, we good. Yeah, them drawdowns don't be playing. Yeah, we got $900 left. Say less. Hey, yo, we up. I just need $900 to pass, y'all. Don't let the revenge get in me, E. I'm excited. I'm more excited because we are live doing this. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna exit out this trade once it hits, if it goes to 900. Hey, yo, let's go. Yeah, let me adjust my stop real fast. So I just adjust my stop. Wow, that's quick. I just adjust my stop on my personal, and it literally just adjusted in like not even a second on my funded. I'm still in oil. Still in it. This is my funded account right here. You guys are seeing this live. Trying to get to $900, $905. We're at $600 right now. And on my personal account, I just moved my stop. That's all I did. I mean my TP. Right when I move my TP, it moved my TP on my funded account too. But I can never watch a trade though. I can never watch a trade. I gotta just stay out. I can't watch a trade, man. It's brings me anxiety too. Yeah, I was out. I tapped out for TP1. My other trade, I got out. I was in 2 positions on oil. So on my personal account, I made 250. On my funded account, I made 1100. So let me show you. Actually, no, I can show you right here. Right here. This is the position right here. $1,100. And then I'm in, yeah, the other one. But if we hit TP though, I mean, if we hit my stop loss, we hit stop loss. I can wait. I'm not trying to revenge trade, guys. I'm not trying to do that. I'm just showing you got to stay consistent. You got to. It's hard. That's why I got this joint literally right here in front of my screen like this all the time. Because I gotta remain consistent. It's literally just chilling right there. Just like this. Standing just like this on my screen. Every time I get in the charts and I'm live, it's literally right there. I'm like looking at it every time. Got to. My stop loss is at break even, yes. So if it hits, it hits my stop loss, and I'm gonna just leave it alone. I'll make my $900 either during Asian session when we go into trading yen, or I'll wait until tomorrow, or hell, I'll wait until next week if it takes that time. I don't care. I'm not rushing it. By the way, you got unlimited trading days. Unlimited trading days. So I'm good. I'm not worried. I'm not worried. What's this on my paper? This is my system that I make sure I tell myself every time, because I got everything I have in here is my system, like my rules, my trading strategy, the time zones I like to trade, my compounding strategy, and my risk percent. So and then right here is my trading journal that I have got made. It's custom. Guys, we're doing good on this personal account though. We're doing good on this personal account. Once I add my other 2 trades, we're up 8 grand on my personal account. We took a total of 80 trades. Go into a little bit more details. We took a total of 80 trades. We had a total of 13 losses, and we had a total of 67 wins. Can't get no better than that, which results into a 84% win rate. My average loss percentage is 5%, guys. My average loss is about 5%. And then also I average about 10 to 12 trades per day when I trade. You guys can't really see it. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit more. There you go. How do I get? Looks clean. I got it made. We had a 192 days of 12 trades. Why is that? Because we had we lost. Damn, was it that day? Hold on. On the 14th. Okay, yeah. On the 14th is because we lost. Right here, we lost $1,100 on just an oil trade. I put why. I had to explain why. But we lost $1,100 on this oil trade, and then we made it back on gold and yen. And that is why I only made $190 that day. Yes, you can trade stocks. You can trade anything with this. This is a broad journal. All right, so I got hit at break even, guys. Look, I'll show you right now. I got hit at break even. Hold on. Let me make sure. Yeah. So I got hit at a break even. $20. Still made money. Just $20. Hold on. Let's go to, and here, $10. You guys can't do this because, like I said, it's a mental thing. A lot of you guys will be like, well, why you didn't take out that $500? That's the same thing I say all the time. When if you get in a trade, you don't hold the trade. What if that trade end up going all in your favor? Like NASDAQ. Y'all know NASDAQ never pulls back, right? Like right here, we only got that one pullback and it's up. So let's say oil did the same. You could have made even more money. This is how I am able to grow my account very rapidly, because when you have that mentality, that's part of my compounding strategy. When you have that mentality, you basically will be set, right? Because even if this trade did go left, I still made money for that trade. $250. On my funded account, I still made $1,100. I'm still profitable. Now y'all see how I got only $900 left, right? Or probably like $800 left to trade. Right now, you guys will be revenge trading. This is where you start effing up and start tripping and start tweaking. Did it update? Let's see. Yeah, it updated. Wait. It updated, but it didn't update because it's not showing it here. Well, yeah, you guys see the remaining left is $885. Like I said, man, we took 2 W's for the day. I'm gonna leave the market alone. Now I might get in a trade after this live session. I might, who knows? I literally might. I don't know, but it's all based off my setup. So, yeah, man. I think it could be another buy entry, man. I don't know. I gotta see the market. Literally gotta wait on the market. By the way, guys, I'm using Funded Pro, unlimited trading days. I love that. I don't have to worry about anything. Just got unlimited trading days. If you guys want to sign up, there is a discount. You get 20% off. Solo 20 if you use it. And then boom, there you go. Otherwise, too, guys, if you want to sign up for Ospreyfx, they are giving a deal. All right, I was able to get a deal, nice deal for a 20% sign-on bonus. All right, 20% sign-on bonus basically means when you deposit money in your account, you'll be able to withdraw that 20% sign-on bonus. It's not credited into your account or anything. It's actually money you can withdraw, but you have to trade with Ospreyfx, though. You have to trade. And also, I highly recommend we all stay with the same broker. So when I say I'm tapping out, TP, damn, literally TP1 did in a way smash right here. When I'm saying I'm tapping out or TP smash, we all should be in the same. We all should literally be like, oh yeah, TP did smash, because in my broker, we got the same broker. You know, it makes sense. You know, so yeah, other than that, man, I want everybody here to make sure you tap into our Discord. If you're not a part of our Discord, I'm literally getting a link right now. We do have a free section. Everybody here, go ahead and tap in now or forever hold your peace. But other than that, guys, I'm signing out. I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. Everybody else, VIP, see y'all tomorrow. And later today, I'm probably gonna post some signals in the VIP, probably just Asian session. This is a time where I like to spend time with myself and trade with myself, usually. So I'll see everybody Monday and everybody else tomorrow. Y'all enjoy yourselves. Take care. Peace.
Kill 'em. Groupies want the work and I'ma drill 'em. I'm walking through the hood 'cause I'm a real one. Man, I gotta stun hard. All the game, pull up out the backyard. And I never sold the cocoa, but I don't need it 'cause man, sell 'em. I'ma buy a couple, yeah, so I can sell 'em. And if I put you to the test, I bet you fail 'em. I'm all about the cash now. The girl all on me, she showing me her ass now. Stripper, and I'm swimming through the cash now. Then your favorite rapper trash now. Jordan Belfort, the way I'm ballin', girls fallin' now. I'm Jordan Belfort, the way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Air Force One, nigga, I'm so fly. I'ma take it, girl, don't you ask me why. Hope she don't get addicted like my. Cause I'm a hitter, then I leave her, tell her bye. Swerve. All I know is them Benjis in the